Good evening, tutor and classmate. My name is Álvaro Vargas. Let's go to learn to use virtual tools that help our academic training process. My tool select to work in classroom was PowToon. PowTown is a simple tool. It's very easy to use. It's very simple to create a different presentation. And first of all, you must enter the internet, and through of Google you must write PowTown. In this case, you can write PowTown in the navigator here, PowTown in this case, and enter. This is the principal page or main. Then you can enter here, and there are two options. The first is login, and the second is sign up. Sign up is using when you don't have an account. It's very simple. You enter here and you write your principal information, your name. It's a basic information. But in this case, I have account. That's why I enter here, login. Once you have created the account, the initial page appears. In this case, for example, enter here, login with email, and I have an account. Vargas, my password, and you can click here. Click here. Wait a few minutes. This part is very important because in this case you must select your template. There are several templates. You must select the type of graphic and next. In this example, I want to choose explainer video, and I want to use the first use preview, no use this template. You can wait while loading the page. You could use this tool to explain some English grammatical subject, or you can use this page to explain different topics. But it's very interactive, it's very interesting, it's very nice, this page, to teach in the classroom, because you can add picture, background, videos, recording different matches to the student. This is the principal page. The first slide, you can use other picture background. You can edit the title. The second picture, you can add the main topic, and you can add other pages, other link. It's up to you. Finally, you can save all your work or your presentation, and if you want, you can share this presentation to YouTube or different social networking. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.